Hello everyone, my name is Kishore Kumar and I'm really glad to share something very special with you today. After spending more than 17 years in the software industry, I have started a new initiative, a learning platform called Smart Work Life. The idea is simple to give students, professionals, and passionate learners a platform to build the right skills, stay confident, and work smarter in this fast changing world of technology. The idea of Smart Work Life is not just about being a learning platform. It will be a growing community where we will be connected with students, working professionals, and recruiters who are always on the lookout for skilled talent. Our platform will have customized courses for all kinds of learners, whether you prefer self-paced course, video lessons, or instructor-led programs with hands-on exercises and mock projects. To support you further, we will regularly host live webinars and Q&A sessions to clear your doubts. We are also present on LinkedIn, Facebook, and on YouTube, where we will share the latest updates, resources, and exclusive offers. So don't miss out. You will find all the links in the description below. Now, why I started Smart Work Life? In my career, I have always been an active learner. Along the way, I have also trained and mentored colleagues, juniors, and students on various technical skills. And here is what I noticed again and again. Most people don't struggle because they can't learn. They struggle because they don't know what to learn, how to learn, when to learn it, and how to actually apply it. The toughest part, many wait for their organization to arrange training, or they just depend on random free resources. That can help as well, but it rarely keeps you ahead because everyone else is following that same easy path. Does that mean there is no option for you if you do not have money to enroll for a course? Definitely no. To ensure no student or professional is left behind, we will offer free career guidance sessions, especially for learners from rural areas, small towns, and financially weaker backgrounds who often struggle with limited access to resources, no matter which part of India you come from. That's why I started Smart Work Live, to give people clarity, direction, and the confidence to make the right choices for their careers. If you would like to join us in this journey as a volunteer or a trainer or as a creative contributor, keep a close eye on our updates starting mid-September. For more details, you can always reach us by email or by using contact page on our website. There will be both free as well as paid courses and live trainings available on our website and YouTube channel. But promotional discounts and some of the free courses will be available for limited period only. So don't miss out on those opportunities. Thank you for your time and see you soon.